ASMR plus sleep science, the perfect combo for deep sleep. You press play and hear soft whispers, gentle tapping, or the crinkle of paper. Your breathing slows, your muscles relax, and your mind drifts. This is ASMR, and when paired with real sleep science, it might just be the most powerful tool for falling into deep restorative sleep. Let's explore how this calming sensation works and why your brain loves it. ASMR stands for Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response. It's that warm, tingly feeling some people get from certain sounds, visuals, or personal attention, like soft whispers, brushing, or tapping. For many, ASMR triggers a calm, almost meditative state, and though it's still being studied, early research shows that ASMR may lower heart rate, reduce stress and anxiety, quiet the mind, especially before bed. To understand why ASMR is so effective, let's look at how sleep actually works. Your brain needs a calm, low stimulus environment to shift into theta and delta brainwaves, the slow waves linked to deep sleep. Stress, screen time, and racing thoughts all fight against this transition. That's where ASMR comes in. Gentle, repetitive triggers help quiet the prefrontal cortex, reduce cortisol, and allow melatonin to rise. In simple terms, ASMR gives your brain a shortcut into sleep mode. Alone, ASMR is soothing, but paired with proven sleep techniques, it becomes even more powerful. Try combining it with breath work, progressive muscle relaxation, sleep journaling, bedtime routines, same time each night. Many ASMR creators even use binaural beats or theta wave backgrounds, blending science-backed sleep audio with relaxing triggers. Want to fall asleep faster tonight? Here's a simple bedtime ritual to try. Step 1. Set a consistent wind down time, at least 30 minutes before bed. Step 2. Dim the lights and put your phone on Do Not Disturb. Step 3. Choose a calming ASMR video or audio, whispers, nature sounds, tapping, or your favorite trigger. Step 4. Breathe deeply, in for 4, hold for 4, out for 6. Step 5. Let the sounds wash over you. Don't force sleep, just relax. ASMR isn't just trendy, it's tapping into something primal, a whisper, a heartbeat, a feeling of being cared for. And when it's paired with the science of sleep, the result is powerful, deeper rest, quieter thoughts, and more peaceful nights. So tonight, press play and let your brain do what it's designed to do. Sleep well. And don't forget to subscribe for more calming, science-backed sleep content.